Hi everyone, welcome to this class. And in this class, what we'll be looking at is we'll be creating our designs. We'll be creating our designs, our homepage designs, and all other pages. So what we'll be doing in this class is that we'll be using some particular plugins to create the designs. So like I have explained previously, plugins are what enables us to be able to give functionality to our website. So one of the functionality we need now is the functionality to be able to create a design on our web pages. So that's why we need a plugin called Elementor for that. So let me just go to our plugins here. So then when you click on installed plugins, so it's going to take you to the plugin page. So now do you see we do not have any plugins here. We only have Google Analytics for WordPress by Monster Insight. This is the only plugin I have here on this website. So it's pre-installed by the free host I'm using. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be installing the plugins that we'll be needing to create our design. So I'll just click on add new. So now it's gonna so this is it. So what we need to do now is very simple. Just come straight right down here. So now looking at these places, do you see these are examples of plugins? So all of these plugins here are listed here they are called free plugins. So this is what we call the plugin directory. So this classic editor is a plugin, enhancement, spam protection. All of these are plugins. So what we want to do is want to search for Elementor. So you just come here, this is where you search for the plugin you want to use. So you just click on, so you just type out Elementor. So Elementor is a plugin that is built specifically for designing web pages. So there are plenty of plugins that actually does this particular task, but among all of them, Elementor is the best. You can search on YouTube, you can search on Google and check for confirmation. Elementor is the best website builder plugin that we have in WordPress. So with no further ado, I will just install it. So now it's gonna install, but there are two ways to it, because we're going to install and we're going to be activating. So when you install the plugin, what actually happens is that the plugin comes inside your website, inside your WordPress dashboard. Let me show you. So if you go back to installed plugins again, previously we had only one plugin, Google Analytics by so. So right now we already have two plugins. We have Elementor and this. So what happens is when we click on install, it comes right here. So it's already inside our website. So but it's not yet activated. So that's the second thing. So we can either activate our plugin from here, or we can as well activate it on this place too. So let me just click activate here. So it's going to activate. So right now that it's been activated, so let me show you. So now you see it says, instead of activate, it says deactivate and settings. So that's Elementor. So now we need another plugin again to be able to the second plugin will be using now. What it does is it's not actually going to create the website, but it's going to give us template. But before we go to that, let me just show you how to use this Elementor first before we go into that. So now I'll go to my pages. Presently I don't have any pages, so I will be creating new pages. So now let me just, you already know how to do that, so I will be doing that very, very quickly. So I will create an home page for now. So I'll just type home, then I'm gonna click on publish. So very quickly, for the sake of this tutorial, I need you to understand that, okay, sorry, I'm offline. So let me just quickly, so right now my page has been created. So to use Elementor in designing this particular page, if you remember in our previous video, our page was just blank, so we need to put the design now. So all you need to do is just click on this edit with Elementor. If you have not yet installed Elementor, you will not see this here, but because I installed Elementor, that's why I'm seeing it here. So I will just click on edit with Elementor. So there are two more things that you need to do before you proceed in designing your website. Yeah, so this is my website now. You see, this is what I have here, and you know, I told you all of these things is as a result of the theme I am using. So now I will be doing two things right here. Number one will be installing another theme, and number two will be installing the template, the plugin that will actually be using to give that will be giving us the template that we want to use. Ready-made template to design our website. We no need to crack our head for designs. So we'll be doing those two things now. So very quickly I will go and install the theme that we need to use for this website, because there are different themes. So but the best compatible theme that works well with Elementor is called Elementor. So let's just go and install another theme. So to install another theme, what we need, if in our previous class I already told you that there's a theme that has been installed automatically. So what we need to do is we want to change that pre-installed theme that is already there. We want to change it this cheaply. So we'll be changing it to the theme that we want to use. So it's called Elementor. So what we need to do is just go up here, click add new, or yes, just click add new here. So when you click on add new, then it will take you to the theme directory. Do you see? We have plenty of themes here. Do you see? So as we have it, the theme I want to use is already here, Elementor. But if in your own case, if you don't see it when you scroll down, all you have to do is just type it here. Just type Elementor. You might just as well type in Elementor alone. It's going to bring it. So when you type it, it's going to bring it. So this is it. So you just install it. So the reason why we are changing our theme, why we are using this, is because we install and activate. So we are using Elementor to build our website, and the best and the most compatible theme that works well with Elementor is Elementor. So that's why we are using this for our tutorial. So right now I've installed my theme. So if you should actually go to your website now, I already to show you how to do that. You come here and click on visit site. You see that the layout will have changed. You see many things have changed. You see even the color, all of these things have changed. So this is the layout for Elementor. This is the layout for Elementor. So that's what I want to show you now. So the second thing we need to do before we start creating our page is to go and install the template that I want to use. That template will give us a ready-made website, ready-made designs. So the name of the plugin that will actually give us that template is called Envato Element. So just search for Envato, and it's going to bring it. Yeah. So right now this is Envato. So all you need to do is just click on install, as you already know. So then wait for it to install and you click on activate. So then after you're done clicking on activate, do you see we already have Elementor, Envato elements. So now let's go back to our editing page. This is our page we're editing. So now what we need to do is we need to reload this page. The reason is because number one, the Envato element has not yet shown, because we just installed this plugin. So it is supposed to show inside, it's supposed to show here, but the time we actually edited this page with Elementor, Envato was not yet there. So right now Envato we just install Envato now. So what we need to do is reload this page. So when we load this page, you should be expecting to see our Envato element icon there. So you will see what I'm talking about. So now do you see this is Envato element icon? Do you see? And do you see that all of these things are changed? Do you understand? So this is due to the fact that we have changed our theme. Yeah. So what we want to do is just click on this Envato element. So when you click on it, takes you here. So presently I don't have any templates. So now let me show you this. We have 4 tabs here. We have installed kit, we have premium kit. This kit is templates. These templates that are here are premium templates. They are templates that you have to pay to get, and I must tell you these templates are very professional. So one thing about this template is that you need to pay monthly. That's how it works. I think it's around $35 or so that you pay monthly. So when you pay that $35, they will give you all of this template library for free. So you can use any of them for a month, as much as you can for a month, and after a month they will close it unless you pay again. So but these are the next one we have here are the free ones that has been given to us for free, and I can tell you for beginners and starters this free one will also do well. Personally alone, I have made thousands of dollars building websites using this free template on Fiverr. When I started out on Fiverr, I used this template a lot for many of my clients. Yes, so you can check it one by one. So then if you actually want to see them, or these are the categories, so these are the types of template that are available in the free. We have events and music, trade services, corporate and business, technology, creative and design, travel and accommodation, beauty. You can just play around all of these templates on your own. So but for now I will just be previewing some of them, so you can just check. Let's check it together. So this is a solar company template, so you can click on preview. So the preview will actually load to you how the design actually looks. So this is the design. So do you see? So you can check this. These are all of these pages will actually be imported. When you import this template, all of these pages will actually be coming with it. So for example, if you are using this template, you don't need to crack your head for home page. You have 3 different home page. You see, you have on page 1, on page 2, and on page 3. We also have services page. We have about us page that has been built for a single service. Contact us. Do you see product landing? As in, you have all of the pages that you need. So you can, to check them very well, just click on any of them. So when I click, so it's going to bring it in a large view. So let's just wait for it. Do you see? So this is the template that you'll be having for free. You see, you don't need to crack your head for any design. Just use a template and then start editing. So let's just wait. Yeah, so these are the designs that you actually be getting when you use these templates. So very quickly, let me go to the next one. You see, this is the second home page. You see, okay, let me go to, let's check another page here. Okay, let's check services page. Click on it. You see, so you already have, as in the designs has been made for you, the pictures, everything. So that's it. So let me just come back. Let me close this and let's check other templates. I will just check like few more templates before I start building this. Okay, let's go to categories. Let's say maybe you already have a client that wants to build a business website. Just go to corporate and business. So it brings for you different business websites. So let's check these templates, this SMB. So very quickly, let me just check these templates. So as you can see, it's a dark texture design. So let me just check the first one. Okay, let me check the second one here. So what I actually want you to do is I want you to go through all of these things by yourself. Just play around all of these things. I cannot actually be going through each template for you one by one. So I have shown you how to get it. So all you have to do is just check for any template that you see. So then let's go to another category, technology. So So maybe I will be choosing the template we'll be using for the sake of practicing in this technology. So the template that I choose now is what we'll be using. So these are the templates. Okay, did I actually choose technology? Yeah. So now, okay, let me just go with these templates. Mobile app. So now what we'll be doing is to actually use these templates, what you need to do is you click on install kit. So when you click on install kit, it's gonna, you see it says view kit. So when you come to this place where it says installed kit, you will see the template here. This is the template. So you can now click on view installed template. So do you see? So whenever you see these things where it says install requirement, you don't need to bother much, just click on it and then click on install above. So it's going to install the required plugins and stuff that it needs for it. Then click on close. So it still remains Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro is the paid version of the Elementor that we are using. So the Elementor we are using is a free version, and I can tell you the free version has all what it takes for you to build a standard professional website. But although there are still more features in the Pro version, I won't lie that if you buy the Pro version, you actually be getting much more features. But with the free version, you can do whatever you want. So these are the templates that we'll be working with. So what I want to do is I'll create let me install this home here. So don't mind all this one that says Pro, you can actually use them. So let me just use one of them. I'll just click on ignore requirements and click on insert template. So what it's telling you is that it needs Elementor Pro for it to work perfectly well, the paid version of Elementor. But it doesn't mean I don't have a paid version in this website, but I can use the free version to also work on it. So when you click on import, it's going to import it. Let's just wait till it reaches 100%. So when it reaches 100%, it's going to take us to our page. So as you can see, it has installed for us the templates. Our previously blank page has been filled with design. You see. So now what you need to do is just come here and click on update. So when you click on update, it means you are saving your work. So always remember that, it's very important. So when it has been updated, this green will change to black. So you have to make sure, do you see? So when you click on update, so you can come here where it says, you see this icon, so you can click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to load for you a preview of your website. You see, so this is your website. So and if we already learn about creating menus, so you can switch, check, this is the home page that we do not have anything. So let's check this one. So this is the one that we already, so do you understand? So now to create, so what I need you to do now, okay, before we go into other pages, so what you need to do now is to edit. It's very simple. So for example, if you want to edit what is there, all you need to do is just click on this place and come to your left hand side. You see the text that you see here is also here. So you can choose to edit it here and you can also choose to edit here, but most of the time I prefer to edit here. Do you see? So I can edit the page. Sorry, I'm just showing you that you can do whatsoever you like with it. So now you can edit the text, you can edit this a picture, so you can just come here and click on it. So you click on this place where it says media library and you see all the picture that you already have. So don't forget, now all of these pictures that you see here, I have them because of the template that I have installed. All of this picture actually came along with that template. So whenever you install any template from Envato Elements, all of the picture will come with it. So you can also upload picture. You can also upload picture from your system For example, let me just show you something. Yeah, this is a picture of an app. Okay, let me just go down. Let's say I want to change this picture. All I need to do is just click on it, click here, then come to media library, then you can choose any picture that you want, insert it, and the picture will be changed. So now, if in case you have, there are sometimes you might need some pictures that are not available. So there are 3 sites, major sites, that you can get free pictures. We have pexels.com. So this is pexels.com. So I'll be dropping the link of these 3 sites in the description so that you can be using them. We have pixabay.com. So all you need to do is just come to this site and search for the type of picture you want. You can just say app. So, and it's going to bring for you different pictures, because when it comes to web design, you cannot actually just go to Google and download any picture and be using. Yes, the reason is because web design is not graphic design. Graphic design, you can just use any picture you like for your flyer or anything. But when it comes to web design, you can be sued for using another person's picture. So the third one is called Unsplash, unsplash.com. So, but normally when you come to Unsplash, this is what you actually see. So the best way is just type Unsplash, don't put .com, just type it to Google. So then it's going to bring it, then you click on it like this. So that's how to get to Unsplash. So you can say any kind of picture that you want, and it's going to bring it for you, and you can download them for free. So that's where you can get picture to use for your website design. Yeah, and so right now we have been able to successfully create our own page. We've been able to add our own page template. So what I actually want you to do now is you can also, the same thing that we did with our own page, you can do it for about contact and services too. All you need to do is just click on the edit and click on edit with Elementor. When it loads, go to the Envato icon, click on the installed template, and then insert the templates for each pages. For like the about page, insert the about template. The contact page, insert the contact template, services. So you can do that on your own, and make sure, most importantly, that you watch the second video. Yes, I actually don't want this video to be too long, because the second video is much more important. You'll be introduced to much more advanced stuff in the second video. So make sure you watch the second video. It's very, very important. So thank you for now. Yeah, bye.